Bloody waters, drowning every day, every day.
Hey y'all, so we're back with another video, but this time it's going to be a removal video from the previous video that I did on these locks. I'm going to link that somewhere so y'all can see how I installed it so that you can understand the takedown process. So the takedown process is referring to how these were installed. So when you go see how I installed it, you'll have more of like a understanding of how I'm taking it down, if that makes sense. Like if you see how it was put in, you'll understand how it's put out. So I'll try to explain it here, but I will definitely suggest that you go see the installation video. So what I did was made my own locks. I looped it onto my hair, and then I flipped, since my hair is really long, I kind of just flipped it up down and then wrapped around only the top part. So I'm basically just finding my braid of my hair in the lock by like twisting it apart. And then once I find my hair, I kind of just take it out. And if there's any of the wrapping hair like above my hair, I cut that. I'm not really trying to cut below anything because then I might cut the lock that I made by accident. So that's basically how I'm taking these out. And then if I find the wrapping portion, I just unwrap it the opposite way so that it just starts to become loose. And then I'll end up finding the lock that I looped through my hair. And then of course the top is just, just wrapping hair. And I'll just unwrap it by going the opposite way and just pulling it out. Also, I used braiding spray to take these out. It's basically like a spray to release any product or just make the braiding hair like more slippery so that I can get in between it and find my hair, because usually the braiding hair or hair that you use to install locks or braids is mostly dry. So you want to make sure that you're having like some type of spray or something to loosen up that hair. So see right here, I kind of crocheted my hair up and down into my own hair. And then I pulled that lock from my hair. It's so hard to explain, but if y'all see how it was installed, you would understand. I'm basically just trying to find the hair that I wrapped around my hair, my own hair. That's it. I'm not trying to cut that lock right there off. I'm just trying to take off the hair that I wrapped around my real hair, and that's it. I'm not trying to cut the lock itself. Cutting the lock itself would just be pointless because I'm trying to reuse these. If you're looking to install locks and reuse them, go to my installation video because that's going to show you how you can keep, like if you have locks already made, how you can keep them and reuse them for another time. So yeah, this is how I did it. I basically just found that wrapping hair, found my real hair, pulled it out, and cut the wrapping hair, or you could just unravel it by going the opposite way. And it was easy to find the hair that needed to be cut because, look at me eating. It was easy to find the hair that needed to be cut, obviously, because the wrapping hair was not even the same color as my real hair. So all I had to do was find the wrapping hair, cut it, and then unravel it. But it was easy to find because my hair is black and obviously the lock hair is like a copper color. But these locks were so pretty. I got so many compliments on these locks. But I know people are going to ask for the removal of this and want to know like how do you remove locks if you are trying to reuse them and not really like cut them. This is what you do. You find that wrapping hair, you cut that, but you make sure you find your braid. Make sure you find your actual hair. See how I'm twisting down and I'm like pulling at the same time. I'm finding their hair that I wrapped around, cut it. Then I'm looking for my real hair in there. After I find my hair, I'm like, okay, cool. All this wrapping hair can go. So we're going to loosen it up with the spray. And I'm going to link that spray for y'all down below. And then once I finish cutting the wrapping hair, I just kind of just unravel it because I've already found my hair. And that's it, y'all. But this all is kind of self-explanatory. If you do have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, this is the removal video, and I'll let y'all watch the rest of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.